Hello everyone, Lucas here for another dance tutorial. If you are not subscribing my channel, subscribe right now and let's go dance. Today, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. We will do kind of Latino dancing, okay? Come with me. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, and left. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, stop, because now we open. Right, left, right, and left. How are you? You still here? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2. With the right step forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Just this last part. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, just this last part. Right, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Okay? From the beginning, these two parts. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Right and left. Again. 1, 2. Go forward with right. 5 left, 6 right, back, left, forward. When I stop here, I'm gonna go to do a turn here. I turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some interesting movement for us, for we do something special today. Okay. So I basically will turn my hips like this, okay, but also my body. But before this, when I move my left leg back, okay, right, left, right. When I move left back, I will do 3 arms. 1, 2, 3. Exactly this is the time. Panam pam pam. Okay, panam pam pam. Do it. Panam pam pam. 7, 8. Panam pam pam. Okay, let's go from the beginning. Before everything, slowly. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Latino. Huh? Shake and shake. Open, right, left, go forward. Pa, pa, your arm. Pam, pam, pam. Did? Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 eights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times. But with the music, it's more faster. Okay? It's much more faster. Let's go again from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, right, and 1, 2, 3, right, forward. 5, 6, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, step forward, and 5, 6 with the arm, pam, pam, pam. Turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. I hope you let's do one more time, eh? I would say I hope you got it, but I think it's better do one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3. And open. Right, left, ta, ta. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? I stop here. Whoa, everybody. Hello, guys. We stop like this and go. Right, stop. Left is stop. I go jump with the right. Forward, and I'll jump with the left. Back. I'll just close 2 times. Close left and close right. Okay? Again. Slide, stop. Slide, stop. Right forward. Right, left, and turn. Left and right. Okay? Again, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum bum, bum bum, bum bum, bum bum. It's so good to do it. It's very nice. 7, 8. Slide, slide, forward, back, param, para, slide, slide, forward, back, param, param. Okay? Let's do it from the beginning now. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, go right. 5, 6, 7, repeat. 1, 2, 3, and open. Right, left, arm. Pam, pam, pam. And 1, turn 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7. Go slide. This slide. Step, slide, go forward. Forward. Back, parara, again. Slide, again. Slide, go forward. Forward. Back, parara, papa. How are you? You did? Let's do it. It's very nice. When we do it with the music, it's like a something pleasure. I know this is not really, really beginning, but I want to teach you this so much because of music, this energy. I think will be something special for us today. Okay? So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Again. And 1, 2, 3, and open. Open. Arm. Eh? Pam, pam, pam. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7. Okay. In slide, step, slide, jump forward, forward, back, pararam, pam, pam. Slide, again, jump, forward, forward, back, pararam, pam, pam. Good. Now, we continue, yeah? If you, Lucas, I didn't understand. Please come back from the beginning. You will enjoy with the music with me in the end, okay? So go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step. 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good? And then what we will do, I will continue because it's quite easy. We stop here. We just move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now shake your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and turn. Turn. 2, 3, 4. Go up, leg, back. Go up, leg, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up, back, up, back. And then we just start from the beginning. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, but wait, I will not teach you. I don't know if you can see me good here because the sun is start to go down. So I don't know. I hope yes. Now, what we continue doing? We did slide, slide. Remember, forward, back, left and right. Slide and back. Forward, back, parara, pa, pa. Arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3. Normally. Then shake your shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Shake your shoulders and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step from the beginning. Come on. And 1, 2, 3, forward. 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, and walk. Walk. 6 arm. Pa, pa, pa. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slide. Slide. Slide forward, parara, pa, pa. Step, step, slide and forward, parara, ta, ta, tarara, ta, ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arm, arm again, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Arm, arm. Good. To the right, and 1, 2, 3. Normally 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we repeat from the beginning again. Okay? It's not easy. You don't need to worry about to be perfect. I'm not perfect here. Too noisy. A lot of people cross. You see sometimes my eyes go there, go there, go there, go there. Anyway, you are here for this. Be strong. Repeat this. I know you will enjoy. I know you will have fun. I cannot say this dance is easy, but I'm sure you can enjoy with this step, okay? Thank you very much for coming. Don't forget, one more time, subscribe to my channel. Write down your comments, what you think, what you want to see here in our channel, okay? And see you later. Let's go now with the music.